Welcome friends to the 412 Homestead. I'm Susie and today we're going to be making some Firehouse Ranch crackers. Easy recipe but good little snacks to snack on. What it calls for is 4 sleeves of crackers. We've got about 1.5 cups of oil. I had vegetable oil on hand, so we're going to use vegetable oil. I've got about 3/4 cup Parmesan cheese. We've got 2 tablespoons of garlic salt, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, about 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, and about 1 tablespoon of some Italian seasoning. And we're going to also dump in 2 packs of I bought ranch dressing mix. So we're going to get started by opening up these sleeves of crackers. We've made these many times before and it seems like the cheap crackers have done the best. But you buy whatever kind of crackers you want to use. Just open them up, dump them in, and once we get all of our mixture, liquid mixture, we're going to pour it on top of these crackers, and we're just going to jostle that bag around, rotate it around so that it can soak up all of that juice. We'll probably let it set, a couple hours. If you walk into the kitchen, just turn the bag over. That way it'll continue to get all of those crackers evenly coated. Don't worry about if some of your crackers is broken, it'll be all right. But these are just good little snack crackers, a little spicy maybe. You can eat them with chili, you can eat them with your stew, or you can just eat them by the handfuls. So we got those all dumped in our bag. Now let's get all of our stuff mixed up. We'll get it all dumped in and we'll whisk it together. Then we're just going to pour it right on top of them crackers. Now you can choose to put whatever seasoning you like in these crackers. It's, I may not have enough seasoning on them for what you like, but you just adjust it to your taste. If you like them hotter than what I'm doing, put more red pepper flakes in it. If you don't like oregano seasoning or Italian seasoning, don't put it in here. These are just your choice of what you want your crackers to taste like. If you like more Parmesan cheese, put more Parmesan cheese in it. All right, we've got that mixed up. We're just going to pour that right over the top of our crackers. Okay, whatever you do, make sure you get the bag sealed or you will have a mess. You can see all those juices have went to the bottom. Ideally, I've made them before in 2-gallon bags. That gives you more room, but I didn't have any 2-gallon bags. So we're making do with this gallon-sized bag, but you're going to just continue to toss and turn and get them evenly coated. And then what we're going to do, once they've been soaking in our marinade long enough, we'll spread them out on our cookie sheet here and let them dry. So you just want to make sure that you get them evenly coated. That's where if you had a big bowl or like I said, a 2-gallon size bag would be ideal. We didn't have one, but okay, y'all. That's what it looks like right here. We're just going to let it set. You come through the kitchen, give it a turn. That way you're getting it all mixed up good. We'll come back in a little bit and we'll pour them out on our pan.